Well, good morning. We have an unboxing. We got some really nice fish here. Some things I've been trying to get for a while. And I'm hoping they came in. I believe they did. Let's take a look in the box. We'll look at the invoice first, which is right here. See what was shipped. I always go down the right-hand side and see where the zeros are. So they zeroed out reticulatus cories. I had some fancy cories I wanted to get. I didn't get them. We got some fancy guppies. Oh no, they zeroed out the Vadas. Scarlet Vadas zeroed out. Phoenix rasbora zeroed out. I got embers, green neons, African dwarf frogs, some fancy guppies, a few German rams, some bumblebee gobies. Well, didn't get the stuff I really wanted. Scarlet Battix, Phoenix rasbora. I did get ember tetras, and I got green neons, so those are both good. I got to decide where I want to put them. I've been thinking about putting them in here, but I don't think I'm gonna. I think instead they're going to go back here in what was the angel tank. There are no more angels in there. I do have small cichlids. Got keyholes, and I've got something else. I can't remember what. And then little gouramis up top. I don't know. The neons might do well in there. I did get rid of the Africans today. Andy picked them up. They're going to a tank down in Fort Myers. But I've still got the big siren salamander in there. I want to get him out, and I want to clean this tank up before I put anything else in. The bottom four tanks, I haven't really tried to develop them yet. They've got a few fish in them, some swords, pilates, a few tetras, stuff that came over from the old shop. That's those two plus these two here. So I can't do that. Could put them up here in this 40. The problem with doing that is I have some fish in there that might be aggressive toward them. Mainly some Brevensis, which probably wouldn't be too bad, and some bluefin killies. The bluefin killies would be the worst. But I've taken most of them out because they were not getting enough food in here, and I put them outside in some tubs. And I think they're doing much better out there. There may only be one or two bluefins left here. So maybe that's going to be the tank. The other one is here. I've got Cinnamagills, rams, golden, whatever they're called, gold mountain minnows, one or two little mollies, some other little fish. There's some pygmy sunfish in here. The rams will go in here because I've got a few already. All right, well, let's just get started and see how it goes. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's take a look. Take a look at the fish and see what we've got. All right. I think what I'm going to have to do is start working on these 15-gallon tanks that are sitting down on the floor and begin doing something with them. It has an ice pack, which is a little cool, so that means it never did get hot. That's a good sign. And I've got a little piece of protection there. Now then, these are the African pygmy frogs. Now they need to go in an environment where they're going to be able to spawn. I could put them in here, but I've got puffers in here, and I'm afraid the puffers are going to have at them. I may need to move the puffers, actually. That may not be the best tank given some of the other things. So let's just float them for now, and we'll make a decision about that shortly. This is, oh, I got some saltwater. I ordered some Procula clowns, and there's one in there. I don't know if I got a bag with another one. Whoa. Knocking over my camera. Sorry. There should be two. I don't know if there's another single one. There is. Okay. We got a pair of Procula clowns. So let's put these. These are going to go down here. I want to put them in this saltwater tank. I've got a single clown in the other one. Let's see how they do in there. And ember tetras. Now, there's a tiny little tetra. And I think the best thing I can do with them is put them up here. I think. The tank looks pretty good. It's a little bit hazy, but I've been feeding microworm culture, and I think that's why. The pseudomygales look okay. I'm not really excited about them. Nobody is looking particularly vigorous in here, but nobody's looking droopy either. So I don't know what all that means. Maybe I need to get more air going. Oh, well, this is interesting. I got some bumblebee gobies. Now, they're a fun little fish. I'm going to put them in here with the crevensis. I think they'll do better in there. I think I don't want to put them with these tiny guys. What in the world is this? Oh, it's a guppy. This is a metallic snake skin. And this one looks to me like a female. It is. A female metallic snake skin. Now, I'm going to have to do something with these guppies. And I think that's going to require me to clear out one of these bottom tanks and do just guppies. I got some stuff donated, some freebies. Here's the other one. Oh, what'd they do? They sent me two females. Are they males? No. I don't even believe it. These are rams. German blue rams. And this is the green neons. 20 green neons. All right, I got to figure out where I want to put them. I guess they're going to have to go. They're going to have to go up here. So I've got, honest to God, two female guppies, and I'll bet you dollars to donuts they're not pregnant. Maybe they are. So I don't know what to do now. That I'm done. All right, I'm going to put them over here for now. I'll just keep an eye on them and see what is going on. That's it. That's today's catch. A few interesting things. Where in the world are, oh, bumblebees? There they are. German blue rams, bumblebee gobies, metallic snake skin. It's supposed to be a pair, and it's two females. Scarlet Bettis we didn't get, Phoenix we didn't get, Ember we got, Green Neon we got, an African dwarf, plus a pair of two Procula clowns. So that is today. Ah, ta-da! I'm going to be going out later. I'm getting really close to getting out collecting. In fact, tomorrow, John's coming down, and we're going to go out to Arcadia and do some collecting. We want to get plants. We want to get leaf litter. We want to get more pygmy sunfish. We'll probably get some bluefin killies, maybe some golden top minnows, and should be able to get some nice sailfin, green sailfin mollies. So that'll be tomorrow, and we'll video as much of that as we can. So nice to see you all. Take care for now. We'll get this up right away so we can kind of announce Friday. Coming up this Friday, I'll be 8:30 live streaming, 8:30 Friday, right in front of Lucas. Sunday evening at 5:30, live streaming with Mary Page, and we're going to try to start doing children's programming, and then see you again next week on Monday morning. Take care for now. Bye-bye.